transmission background lift has helped considerably as he backs it up now like a school bus, and this was known as the torque roll. The propeller turning one direction, forcing the aircraft to turn the other as he backs it up for about 60 miles an hour in reverse. That was a maneuver first seen back in 1972 by the great late Charlie Hillard, a guy who attended
as well as the Air Forces and Navies of the United Kingdom, Australia, Italy, Israel, Japan, Norway, and the Netherlands. From the right, Major Horn is now setting up for a mid-radius turn, demonstrating the tight turn radius of the F-35 while in full afterburner. Straight into the vertical from a high alpha wing, showcasing the F-35 propulsion maneuver from a high speed, high turn off the ground. Very tight. Fly-by-wire flight control system, the F-35B, Lightning 2. The combination of the stealth as the F-35B approaches show center, Major Horn will execute a high G pull into the vertical, followed by a 360-degree aileron roll. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter is the result of the Department of Defense program to provide a next-generation strike aircraft weapon system for the Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and our allies. In addition to its present noble capabilities, the F-35 is designed to be capable of carrying out a wide array of the most advanced precision-guided air-to-air surface munitions, air-to-air missiles, and the missionized 25mm cannon. From the left, the F-35 is preparing to execute the square loop maneuver. This is a demanding maneuver that contains the most dangerous pull of the routine as the jet goes into the vertical nose high, pulls inverted over the top, and then goes pure nose low to the back. powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package of any fighter aircraft in history. This next-generation avionics and sensor fusion give the pilot real-time access to battlefield information with 360-degree coverage. Advanced electronic warfare capabilities enable the F-35 to locate and track enemy forces, jam radio frequencies, and disrupt attacks with unparalleled precision. The F-35 is capable of advanced handling in the slow-speed regime based upon sophisticated fifth-generation control laws. The power of the F-35 engine can provide enough thrust to maintain the aircraft in level flight at very low airspeeds. Watch the horizontal tails work hard as the aircraft maintains altitude with the nose positioned high into the sky. Get those cameras ready. From the right, the F-35B Lightning II executing the slow-speed, high angle of attack pass.
There's something inside you. It's hard to explain.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Displaying the raw power of the F-35B engine in vertical fly. As the F-35 is walking through the jet performs a high angle attack pull into the nose level, followed by a roll upward to complete the hack. The F-35 will demonstrate its extreme maneuvering capability by rapidly repositioning the nose of the aircraft through 120 degrees of turn. As the F-35 approaches, you will notice how the aircraft almost appears to drift through the sky, demonstrating the jet's ability to rapidly change its energy. Brankles will then climb away after the tactical pitch that demonstrates the aircraft's ability to accelerate into the vertical after rapidly changing the aircraft's nose position. From the right, the tactical pitch. F-35 was designed to replace multiple strike fighter aircraft inventories, including U.S. Air Force A-10s and F-16s, U.S. Navy F-A-18s, U.S. Marine Corps AV-8Bs, F-A-18s, and E-6Bs. The F-35 is capable of conducting extreme maneuvers in the vertical with the advanced fifth-generation flight control laws only seen with the F-22 Raptor and the F-35B Lightning II. From the right, Major Horn will demonstrate the fifth-generation advanced flight control laws as he prepares to execute the pedal turn. Watch as the F-35 uses a high G pull to pure nose high, followed by an inverted pull to enter the pedal turn. Brankles will display how he can rapidly rate the nose around in any direction as the aircraft looks as if it's falling through the sky.
She made that back move. She made the super move. I made the city move. I made the city move. Look, give me the ball and I won't have to pass it. I ain't passing out till I'm asthmatic. I take a play and then I back to back and hit after hit, check the bat and next.
capability of achieving up to -3 Gs.
She made it so move. I made the city move. I made the city move. I got the moves. I got the moves. I got the moves. I make it move. I make it move. You got the move. You got it. She made it back move. She made it so move. I made the city move. I made the city move.
From the left, the inverted to inverted roll.
I gave my whole family jobs and I take care of my mom. Me and my girl been through so much, that's my partner in crime. Touch any of the above, now you harder to find. Gone.
As Brankos levels up from the extreme dynamic inverted roll, he will immediately convert the aircraft into STOVL mode to return back in front of the crowd in a hover. You will notice several doors opening on the aircraft. The large door on top of the aircraft just behind the canopy is the upper lift fan door. This is the intake for the horizontally mounted forward lift fan. Opposite this door on the bottom of the aircraft, you can see the lower lift fan doors, which are the exhaust for the lift fan. You will also see the doors at the rear of the aircraft, which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle to rotate down. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine, and roll control nozzles, generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This capability to conduct vertical landing operations is what allows the F-35 to operate from amphibious ships and provides additional flexibility for operations in austere environments. Once established in the hover, Major Horn will show the smooth handling characteristics of the F-35B in the STOVL flight regime, with a sideward translation followed by a 360-degree pirouette while translating down the runway. Time to put that hearing protection on, it's about to get loud. If you wave, you might wave back.
From the people mind.